Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily levels. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. So let's start the discussion about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So in yesterday's video, we have discussed that if the market sustains above this level, that is this support zone, then we can expect a good rally up to this 17,400 to 17,450 levels. And according to our discussion and according to our analysis, the market went up to the 70,400 levels, and from there the market has came down. But in today's market, the market has opened gap up opening, and it sustained above this gap only. So this is nothing but a runaway gap, and this is not a breakaway gap or something else. So this gap doesn't have a much more significance. So we couldn't consider this gap. So coming to the tomorrow's analysis, if the market sustains above this level, that is if I draw a resistance line like this, if the market sustains above the 70,450 level, then we can expect a good rally up to the 70,550 to 70,600 levels on the upper side. And if we draw a support line on the lower levels, and this 70,200 levels will be acting as a good support point, and then we can consider this one as a rising wedge pattern. And if the market closes below the 70,200 levels, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,100 level. And if the market closes below the 70,100 level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,000 level. On the upper side, the market can move up to the 70,550 to 70,600 levels on the upper side, and on the lower levels we can expect the market fall up to the 70,100 to 70,000 levels on the downer side. And coming to the individual levels, in today's market, the market has closed at 70,339 levels, and if the market tries to move up, the 70,362 level will be acting as a good resistance point. And if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,433 level. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,527 level. This 433 level will be acting as a daily target, and this 527 level will be acting as an extreme target. And we can consider this daily target as a final target if the market doesn't close above this level. If the market doesn't closes above this level, and if the market takes this 362 or 375 level as a good resistance point, and the market reverses from this level, then the market can fall up to the 70,321 level, and this 321 level will be acting as a good support point. And if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,261 level, and this 261 level will be acting as a good daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,183 level. So and we can consider this 70,183 level as an extreme target. And we all know that these extreme targets can be achieved whenever there is a good momentum in the market, or we can consider these daily targets as our final targets, and we can book profits at once the market reaches our daily targets. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, in yesterday's video we have discussed that the Bank Nifty is falling in the bearish flag and pole pattern. So the Bank Nifty was at its support point in yesterday's session, that is on the Friday session. And in today's session, if the market sustains above this support point, then we can expect a good rally up to 38,600 to 38,800 levels on the upper side. And if the market couldn't sustain above this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 36,800 to 36,400 levels on the downward side. So the market has sustained above this support line, and the market eventually went up. But in today's market, the market has opened gap up opening, and it couldn't sustain above this trend line. This is a long-term trend line, and the market couldn't sustain above this trend line, and eventually it came down, and it took support from this support line only, and from there it eventually went up, and again it took this trend line as a resistance line, and from there the market came down. And in yesterday's analysis video, I have said that the most probably the Bank Nifty can move sideways to upside market, because the PSU banks are in good momentum, and these private banks are moving sideways. So as per our discussion and analysis in the weekly analysis video, the private banks have moved in the sideways market, and the PSU banks moved in the upside session. So that's why the market eventually, even though the market has opened gap up opening, eventually it came down again because of this PSU bank's performance. The market went upside. So in most probably in tomorrow's session also, I'm expecting a good news from the budget and in the budget regarding the PSU banks. So I'm expecting a good moment in the Bank Nifty, but before that the market has to sustain above this 38,200 level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,800 level. But if the market fails to move upside, and if the market closes below this 37,800 levels or 37,700 levels, then we can expect a fall up to this 37,000 levels on the first target. And if the market closes below this 37,000 levels, then we can expect a further fall up to this 36,900 levels on the downward side. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. Coming to the individual analysis, in today's session, the market has closed at 37,975 levels, and if the market tries to move up, This 38,044 level will be acting as a good resistance point, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,267 level, and we can consider this level as our daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,559 level, and we can consider this level as an extreme target. But if the market fails to sustain above this 30,044 level, and if the market takes this level as a good resistance point and reverses from this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 37,915 level, and this will be acting as a good support point. And if the market closes below this level and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 37,721 level, and this level we can consider this one as a daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 37,468 level, and this level will be acting as an extreme target. So these extreme targets can be achieved whenever there is a good momentum in the market, or we can consider this daily target as our final target. So friends, this is about the technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.